Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. 43rd annual Joe Nall. It's the Noontime. That's right folks, we've got ourselves the Extreme Flight team. They're here. We're going to be bouncing back and forth to all the planes. They're showcasing some of their latest stuff. And the Noontime is always fun. And so sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
I was just asking about you. How you doing, brother?
Good. How you doing?
Great to see you. Great to see you. Now, I'm going to go on record to saying you're in the business for a pattern airplane.
I appreciate that, man.
Actually flying.
That's awesome. We talked earlier about that. I'm super happy that you're doing that.
Once the lawyers cleared it, then the school I got one.
Hold on.
What we're flying?
So these right now we are flying 68-inch SX Extra, so it's our new 6X and the 6108. Getting ready to fly the new 103 SX over here. We got Grayson and Kyle. They're having a good time. They're out here getting ready to do some Noontime demos. Have a great time.
Awesome. You flying?
Yeah. I'm being a dad. I'm being a dad.
I'll put her in charge of the stick.
All right, Bob, you want to hand over the mic over here to Chris Barton. How are you, Chris? We got some crazy pilots already. Starting off the morning with some crazy flying with these incredible smaller airplanes that are meant for, you know, just park flying.
These are two brand new airplanes from AJ Aircraft. I got Scott Bauersmith here going to help me make sure I get this right. This teal Extra is the all-new 68-inch Extra SX from AJ Aircraft. The one behind it is the 60-inch Raven. We got 60-inch PNP rather. Got Dan Scarpacchi up there flying, and also Oliver.
Oh yeah, they're doing the nice little formation Harrier and inverted Harrier, showing us how it's done, and doing a little leapfrog here is what we call it. Putting a nice into a hover. We got Kyle Bauersmith starting out racing Alpha 14, 15, total starting out
All right, folks, the gases are going up. Sit back, relax. Let's get ourselves excited.
All right, here we go. Got Grayson and Kyle with the 103 AJ Aircraft Extra SX. Saw this flight yesterday. Incredible performance on these aircraft. And we worked the load on these. Donnie and I have been flying one of these. Got one to get her down on the clearing line. These are very aggressive airplanes, but also incredible stability. You got a great little combination there. Some great color packages. And for what Scott said yesterday, you want this red black one right now, you can walk out there and get it. Go ahead with one today. Blue ones, we're still right out. They just sold out. So, red and black, let's go get you one today.
Absolutely. And these pilots are just so young. They have all the rules that can all the control. I just thought I could actually do the guys.
All the way from Arizona. So it's called Yuma. Also, we want to do got the smaller ladies down, so it's got Grayson and Kyle up here now with both. Pardon the pain. Woo! That's what happens when you push it to the dead.
Looks like we got one down in the distance over there, folks. You can see it there. Just missed it. Nonetheless, let's go back to the gentleman who's in the air.
Oh yeah, kind of a little high salt there. Still got to see the 103 inch extra out there. Again, the entire Jesse Scott, all these pilots, everybody will be hanging out back there. So any questions you have about all these new things that we get aircraft are doing, if you have not been over to speak to this entire crew in this great company, you are really doing yourself a disservice. So go say hi to me about that to this thing. Absolutely. All right, put it in the Make some noise for all these boys from HA Aircraft.
All right, friends. Awesome flight. Awesome flight. Noontime Butter. That's what we'll call it, folks. The Noontime Butter Show. All right, friends. More to come.